Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix messenger notification not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on app management. Click on app list and here showing you messenger app. So click on messenger app. After click on messenger app, click on storage and cache and clear cache messenger app. After clear cache messenger app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on settings app and click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.